Hello everybody. I've been having some misfires with the Uberti. I looked it up on the internet and I'm not the only one having troubles that way. I already changed out the wolf springs. You may have seen that video. I think I've worked it down to, I'm going to show you this is empty, so nobody panics. Yes, I'm down on the floor where my workbench is. That's an empty revolver. Anyway, the floating firing pin here that Uberti's been putting on their Cattleman 2 and all their other guns is not hitting the primer solid enough to discharge the round in my revolver. I watched a video by Loads of Bacon. Check his channel out. I'll try to put the description in the bottom when I can get to it. Our internet's down today. But I'm going to have to disassemble this and get to the hammer itself. So, I thought I'd let you in on some of it, but I will do like what he did and not show the disassembly so that the panic attackers on YouTube won't wet their diapers. We'll see you later.